Gang, how y'all feeling today, man? We back with another banger. Look, gang, we doing a lit reaction video today, man. Y'all already know how we do, man. Stuck down game for life, you dig? Today, we gonna be reacting to Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande, Rain on Me official video, man. First of all, I've been seeing so many people talk about this on social media. They dropping Friday. Make sure y'all go stream Lady Gaga, Ariana, Rain on Me when it drop Friday. All the fan pages been going crazy, man. So we about to see what this song hitting like, man. First of all, let's talk about Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande coming together to make a song. I feel like that's a powerful move for both of these artists because, especially for Ariana Grande, this gonna boost her validity in the music world because Lady Gaga, man, the fan base she got low, like I'm saying, like insane. Like she get billions of views, bro. I mean, not saying that Ariana Grande don't get a lot of views, but it was a great collab for her. But I'm gonna rate the video and I'm gonna rate the song when it's finished. I wanna know how y'all feel about the video when it's finished too. So make sure y'all comment y'all ratings in the section below. But y'all already know before this video gets started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on to stay updated with the kid. You dig? Alright, look, without further ado, let's get straight into it. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's go.
I didn't ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up.
That outfit look metallic. That's dope.
It's coming down on me. Harder like misery. It's coming.
I can already tell this about to be a party beat.
I'm ready, rain on me. Drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
Damn, this thing grooving. This video is amazing.
Man, I can feel it on my skin. It's coming down on me. Teardrops on my face. Harder like misery. Let it wash away my sins. It's coming down on me. Let it wash away.
Hey, they killing it. Wow, the editor.
I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
I'll be your galaxy, I'm about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami, hands up to the sky. I'll be your galaxy, I'm about to fly. Rain on me.
That was beautiful. Hey, that was beautiful. Alright, guys, so that's the end of the video. First of all, I see Lady Gaga and Ariana. They have a really genuine relationship. I can see that they two personalities click with each other because they look like they were enjoying themselves in this video. The video was amazing. It was beautiful, y'all. Like, everything. It was just elegant, like, you know, it's just that beat. Oh my God, the thing. I was just like, it make you happy. That don't make you happy. I ain't even gonna lie. So let's get straight into the rating for the video. I ain't even gonna lie. Broke the scale, 20 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Cause that video was amazing. The editing that the videographer did, oh my gosh. It's like, my favorite part of the video is when Ariana was singing, and it's like they was doing their little choreography, and she had her little little singing. Then it flipped upside down like a whole nother world, and then it was Lady Gaga doing her choreography and her singing, man. That part right there, that was amazing. How the transition between those two scenes was just so smooth, huh? I liked it. That was dope. It was real colorful. They was lit. The energy alone had me. The energy alone just make me feel pumped up. I'm like, man, I couldn't even help but to dance. Like, that's just like with any song. If the beat is there, if the energy is there in the video, and I'm looking, and y'all make me want to dance, I say y'all know that the energy is there. So for the video, like I said, 20 out of 10. I see no flaws. It was beautiful. I like the part where they was holding hands, and it's like they had their hair like real long, like on some Rapunzel type hair, and it was like floating. I mean, it was like blowing in the wind. That was real dope. I ain't even gonna lie. My rating for the song is 10 out of 10 too, because they were saying some real substantial stuff in the song, some real meaningful stuff. Picking back on the video, this video has a deeper meaning. Rain on Me. I'm just giving a little brief little explanation how I feel about the moral of the video. Rain on Me, like, I just feel like that goes to show like what's going on now. Like, the storm has came, like, as far as like what's going on now, like how everybody out of work, people going through all type of stuff, based on this quarantine stuff, man. And I just feel like the video does have a deeper meaning, like, the rich gonna be rich and the poor gonna be poor, and that's why they saying rain on them, because they don't really care. They don't really care because they already good. They already good as far as like financially and stuff. So if this stuff keep going on like this, man, dang, it's just like, unless you're an entrepreneur, man, it's gonna be hard, man. But that's what I got from the video. The song was good. I get a song of 10. Ariana Grande singing was good. It was immaculate. Lady Gaga had a strong verse, had a strong hook. So my rating for the song is a 10 out of 10 too. Even though I'm not gonna personally go listen to this song, but it was a good song though. So I actually did like the beat. Like, the beat was fire. Like, that was the main thing about the song. The beat got me. Like, the whole time I wanted like I said, that joint pumped me up. I just wanted to get so lit. I wanted to get so turned, like. I wanted to go crazy, but I'm like, all right, let me chill out, bro. You doing a reaction video, don't go crazy, bro. But that beat is literally a pump up beat. I ain't gonna say I want to listen to this song. I would definitely work out to this song, because that joint like don't party, man. I can't wait to quarantine over, and they gonna play this in the club. That joint go Alright, so that's my rating. 20 out of 10 for the video, 10 out of 10 for the song, man. It was amazing. Comment y'all ratings in the section below. Y'all already know if you watch this whole video, you're a true supporter. I love you so much. We going up on the road to 4K. Turn that post notification bell on and stay up there with the kid. You dig? Alright, look, like I told y'all, if you want post notification shout outs, you have to comment post notification gang in the comment section below on this video, and I will shout y'all in the next video, man. I got y'all, so make sure y'all do that. But look, man, I love y'all. That's the end of the video.